Hello, welcome to Easy English Daily channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Daily for more simple and useful English lessons every day. Now, start a new story.
Tom and Anna are watching TV. They are very focused.
This show is awesome!
Yeah, it's awesome! I don't want to miss a thing. I'm going to get some water.
Okay, I'll come with you. We can watch more tomorrow night.
Yes, I can't wait!
Breaking news starts now.
And that concludes our evening broadcast. We wish you all a good night. Oh, they left the TV on.
Let's wait and see. More details will come in the next report. Not just the TV, about the lights too.
I'm really thirsty right now. This water is perfect. So refreshing.
I feel better now.
I feel better now.
Music. The fridge is open.
They're not being careful. That's wasting electricity. Yes, that uses more power.
Such a mess.
The power usage keeps rising.
Yes, we are using too much power.
The hallway light is still on.
The hallway light is still on.
I need to finish my report. Why is it so slow? That's strange.
Oh no, power is gone.
I don't want to miss a thing.
Oh no, the system is overloaded.
TV is still on.
Fridge door is open.
Lights are on everywhere.
Tom, Anna, come here, please.
What happened?
Electricity is wasted. We're wasting electricity.
Oops.
I left the TV on.
When devices stay on, they waste power.
When devices stay on, they waste power.
This causes trouble for the family.
Yes, Mom. It causes problems for the family.
I'm really sorry, Mom. Dad, I will turn them off.
I turned off the TV.
The fridge is closed.
The lights are off. The power is back on. Good job.
Good job.
The story is getting really good.